My reasons for being here?
Yes.
I am tired of this government. It's too arrogant. I have been tortured for like what? How many years now? 13 years. So it's nice when like people come here with a feeling of solidarity, and also like I think this is important because this government is extremely arrogant, doesn't listen. I mean, the easiest thing for them to do when this whole thing started would be to say that, oh, you send us a delegation or we come to you, we will have a conversation, let's work together. Nope. The resignation thing, of course, didn't work out. In fact, I think Dharmendra Pradhan would have been sidelined if this wouldn't have happened. Because now it's an ego issue for them that धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को इनको हटा देंगे तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेना पड़ेगा. दिस गवर्नमेंट डजंट लाइक अकाउंटेबिलिटी, राइट? दे हैव दैट सेइंग नो कि आप एक उंगली दोगे तो वो हाथ पकड़ लेंगे, तो नाखून भी मत देना. दैट इज दिस गवर्नमेंट्स मेंटालिटी कि इफ वी गिव देम एन उंगली व्हिच इज धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, oh they'll come for our hand then. They are us, which is the public will come for them.
So-called anti-national.
The public has come.
Yes.
They have, whether you like it or not, they have come. And see, the thing started with Cockroach Janata Party, right? They called us cockroaches. What is this? It's a swarm. It's an uncontrollable swarm. Neither the CJP, neither Dipke, neither the spokespersons, neither Wangchuk. Nobody can control this now. I just came back from Bombay. There was a protest that I attended there as well. It was at Shivaji Park. And it was a Uddhav Thackeray led protest. Yeah. So everybody was like, oh, we got tricked into coming to Uddhav Thackeray. It was fine. Like, I mean, there was NCP people, Shiv Sena people. But what's interesting is, after their Bhashanbaji was done and they left, their cadre left, that is when the actual protest started. When people went on stage, started like sloganeering and duffli bajane lage, and they're like, what is happening here, etc. In Bombay, of all places, this is happening. People are angry.
And so are you visibly angry?
Oh, 100%. I've been angry for a while. This is great for me. I mean, see, the Indian dream is dead according to me. Looking at this, there was a time when I was growing up when people told me that, oh, exam de do, college चले जाओ तो तुमको job मिलेगा, life बन जाएगी, abroad जा सकते हो, वगैरह वगैरह. I don't think the education system can give us that anymore, right? And I saw that happening when I was growing up also, when the private engineering college boom happened and this whole... what was that Chotiwala guy? Arindam Chaudhary, right? Yeah.
Right.
Do you remember that era when the scams used to happen? That guy got punished. Can you believe it? That was the time when people got punished for pulling education scams. He was running his own version of coaching mafia, right? यहाँ पे बताओ कौन बात कर रहा है कोचिंग माफिया के बारे में? पेपर लीक कौन कर रहा है? कोचिंग माफिया कर रहा है. बात ही नहीं होता उनके बारे में कभी. And it's terrible. I mean, like, these people are out here because they know that their dreams are dead, right? This is the frustration of a generation that is just pointlessly here, frustrated.
And they come from all over.
Oh, 100%. In my plane while coming here, I think more than half of the plane was like people who were going to the protest. It was very funny because some were actually coming for the protest from Trivandrum, 2 flight change करके. But there were professionals who were like, हमने ना ministry में आज meeting लिया है ताकि हम evening में यहाँ पे आ सके. I'm like, ये भी अच्छा है यार. Very nice.
Very creative.
Yeah.
So, according to you, what do you think are the solutions? How can we better the situation?
I feel like one thing that we need to do is educate. Like us. We need to educate ourselves first. Then we need to organize and then we need to agitate. That is what Dr. Ambedkar said. यहाँ पे थोड़ा रिवर्स चल रहा है हमारा अभी. एजिटेट किया, अब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कोशिश चल रहा है. I hope वो एजुकेशन स्टेज भी आएगा कभी where people actually start thinking about a little bit of solutions and what to do. Because when people start thinking about solutions, that is when they realize what this government is not doing. Right? Like थोड़े articulate हो जाएंगे.
And that's exactly what the government doesn't want.
Doesn't want. Like, so अभी see, that's the thing. If you अभी थोड़ा सा organize हो गया, मतलब like I'm not talking about the CJP specifically, right? But like if you see this group of people, right? They came organized, right? I have my own organization here, right? My cadre is also here. We have like news organizations who are also like sort of coordinating and collaborating, etc. So that decentralized sort of organization is happening, but at the same time, objectivity missing lag raha hai thoda sa, right? You know, like which is, um, like now the opposition is suddenly also like coming, no? They're trying to jump on this bandwagon and
now everyone knows.
yeah, now everybody's like, oh, ab to kuch to ho gaya, etc. The government shouldn't have done that to Sonam Wangchuk for sure. I think that is why this has happened. It's an idiotic thing to do. This government is very stupid at times. We saw an example of that on Saturday. Not at times, most of the time. I do empathize with why they are angry. I hope they don't get violent. बट मेरे होप करने से कुछ होने नहीं वाला है यहाँ पे. आई थिंक वो भी होप कर रहे हैं, सभी होप कर रहे हैं कि वायलेंट ना हो. बट देर आर पीपल वहाँ पे. अभी आई वाज लिसनिंग टू वन गाय टॉकिंग वहाँ पे कि मेरे भाई का नीट पेपर लीक हुआ है, मैं उसके लिए आया हूँ यहाँ पे, और अगर उसको जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं यहाँ से हटने नहीं वाला हूँ. राइट, सो गए वहाँ पे. क्या बोलोगे यार? आई मीन लाइक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, राइट? कि मतलब व्हाई आर पीपल कमिंग इन ड्रोव्स.
And these are the people who've been directly affected.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Yeah, and you realize where we are standing, right? This is YWCA. This is the north side of Sansad. There is a congregation that went from Jantar Mantar, which was stopped. There is one coming from that side also. There is one coming from the president side also, right? So you do realize this is a swarm that is coming in. I empathize with the police also sometimes, but
Yes.
not any. I mean, I don't
See, they're
sympathize.
following orders.
Yeah.
The other president can turn violent now.
Oh. Okay, they are getting violent, so I don't
Okay.
want these